Hey guys, welcome to Joyoshare iOS channel. Today, we will teach you how to fix iPhone flashlight not working with 4 efficient solutions. The first solution, adjust the brightness of flashlight on the iPhone. Sometimes your flashlight doesn't work as the brightness is too low. You can turn up the brightness to use the flashlight. Swipe down on your screen to call up the control center tool on your iPhone. Then, press and hold the flashlight button. Adjust the slider up to change the brightness. The second solution, close the camera app. Having the camera app on may create a conflict between the camera's flash and the flashlight, since these both use the same bulb and, therefore, cannot be used at the same time. From the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle of the screen. Then, swipe right or left to find the camera. Swipe up on the camera's preview to close the app. The third solution, restart your iPhone. Turning your iPhone off and on again may refresh the software and restore the flashlight. To do that, you can hold the power button and volume down buttons at the same time on your iPhone until the slide to power off option appears and shut the phone down, or perform a force restart. The fourth solution, use a powerful iOS system recovery software like Joyoshare UltFix, which is compatible with macOS and Windows. You should download and install it in advance. Then activate this program. In the pop-up window, you will find this tool can fix 150 plus issues on your iPhone, including sucking on the black screen, white Apple logo, recovery mode, PFU mode, boot loop and more. Note that you should connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable before starting the progress. Okay, now, you can click the Enter Recovery Mode by clicking this button. Then select the Start option. Choose the standard mode to fix your iPhone flashlight not working issue without data loss and press the Next button. The information of iPhone will appear on your screen. You should confirm that all of the information is valid and correct. Download and select the firm package that matches your device. After having the appropriate firmware package downloaded, you need to hit the Repair option. When your iPhone turns on again, you need to see whether it fixed your problem. So guys, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and smash the like button. I'll see you next time.